Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn external CSS. What is external CSS and how to implement in common HTML pages for entire project. So I'll show you a simple example how we can link external CSS file into our HTML file in this lecture. With an external style sheet, you can change the look complete website by adding a single CSS style. For this, you must include HTML pages wherever these style and the properties are to be applied. You need to know. The CSS file will be placed inside a HTML form with link tag. So this item would be, we can prepare here like inside the head tag. So here we need to implement like link by using the li and k. See, when you press tab, you will see like a link, reference, like a relation of a style sheet, type, and href. href means hypertext, like a reference from where the file is available, the source. So in this case, we have written these styles to applying of a particular h1 tags and paragraph tags to see a particular output. See, at present what the code is there, we have seen like refreshing, we are applied using internal code, whereas we have to concentrate how we are going to be applying external style sheet. So for an example, this welcome dot in like a HTML file is having here. So this internal I'm trying to removing this from here, and I'm going to adding some CSS file which is I'm creating now. Just see here, file, new file, and I'm saving this file as main.css with the extension of CSS style sheet, like cascading style sheet form file extension is .css. So main, I'm giving a file name and saving this file into main.css. Let's see here, main.css, which is saved. So when I open here, it will be displays like, see the file of extension which is displaying like a main cascading style sheet. It's a type of document. Clear? So very simply, just I'm removing these style properties and code from, I'm making cut by selecting Ctrl X to moving here at style sheet. Save here. Alright, so there is a no more style code as an internal over here. So here I have implemented as a meta tag of link item I have added here to implementing an external sheet. So here what I am trying to doing, these link, this main.css file is here now. So I am linking to our welcome.html page. If I removed, what happening? Save this and let's check. So it is removed. So plainly we are able to seeing a plain. So again, if I am applying external CSS to, we'll get back to this style to there. How simple it is. Let's see. By writing this link, see, inside the head tag, we have to implement this linking code from the external source. So let's see, link by pressing tab. By pressing tab to expand this tag written complete whole. So by pressing tab, you are getting this way, link related to style sheet, type, text oblique CSS code would be there, and h reference where the file is located. This main.css is I have saved inside the same project only. Most of the cases in real time and real world projects are going to be implemented inside a folder structure will be created as CSS. Inside the CSS folder, these are all the CSS which are available in the project we are going to be adding inside the CSS directory. In later I'll show you in a template which is a project structure. There I'll clearly show you what is CSS folders and images and project documents. All I'll explain you, don't worry at all. Okay, so here as a beginner you would like to know how the file is going to be attaching to our HTML main file. You may observe over here. So this main file is here only. So just if I've written a file name with extension, so main.css I need to write, that's it. Main.css if I've written, we are going to be getting all the code which is written here is going to be applying in this particular HTML page. So very clearly if I save this and reloading the page, let's see. Reloading the page, let's see. Wow, again I'm applying and I'm able to getting very simply all the styles which I have used as internal. Now it is from external. This is the file is called external CSS which we are going to be applying here in this HTML page. Let's see what are the advantages. Means I'm going to creating one more demo file of HTML. See, demo.html extension. So here I am going to preparing very simple HTML, demo HTML. All right, and here I'm adding one is a h1 tag. I'm sorry, h1 tag. This is demo h1 tag, and one more we have used paragraph also we have used, but we didn't written anything. So paragraph, let it be paragraph for CSS test. Save this and check with the demo file. So how we can check it? Right click on the file or else take the URL and change the file name over here. So demo, this is the demo, and we have written what we have written inside the demo plainly we are able to getting in output. Very clear. Now if I applying the same CSS to this HTML file, see what the advantage is. By using a single CSS file you can apply entire the project. Where you require, you just refer a link by adding a link, that's it. So link and main.css. How much time it will save you? Go to run. Wow, what a beauty. So this is the demo file, we are getting the same styles and all, and this one is a welcome.file. Likewise you can create n number of HTML files using these CSS only. Now we are going to learning a very important points and a group of attributes and properties and values. All you may apply at single place, and by simply calling this CSS to integrating which CSS form used to be making as a unity of your project files. CSS will help you to reusing the code and saving a lot of designing time and making very less time changes. If you, for suppose you had applied entire background screen for your application or project, in some time later you want to change into gray. If you are changing at single place, at single main file, if you are refreshing the page, entire application will automatically will apply into the gray. See, the gray is not visible here. I think the spelling also like I'm putting some yellow. Let's see, save it, reload. Wow, we are getting the same file. One place you are changing, maybe thousands of pages may impact. This will the major advantages of using external CSS. So I strongly remember, whichever the component you try to write as an internal code, and practice you try to shift into the external file and make it to available to all the project. I hope it's very easy and simple lecture. So try to practice this external CSS more and more. We'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.